Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to react to messages with emojis on Instagram. So let's get started. First of all, open your Instagram app. And then tap on the message icon at the top right corner. And now I am on my messages right now, and if I wanted to just click on this conversation, and I wanted to react with an emoji, all I have to do is hold down on their messages or video, so just hold on. On this, let's say hold down on whatever comment you want to, and then a couple of different emojis pop up. These are the custom emojis that are set. You can choose one of those and just click on it, and then it will automatically put that emoji. If you want to change it, however, you can click on it again, hold down on it again, and click on this little plus icon. Now from here, you can choose any emojis you want. Or you can search like heart. Whatever you want, it will give you. Now you can see the emoji has been changed. If you want to customize it so these 6 are different, then you can just click on the plus again, and up top it says customize, click on that. And we can choose, to swap out different emojis that way, and just click on the emoji you want to switch and click on the new one you want. And then just hit done, and there you go, it's switched for you. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We are eager to hear from you.